Once you are logged in, you will see the main page of the Patient Portal website, which will contain your medical records, account information, messages, appointments, and much more. In the center of the page, there is the Accord Physicians welcome message with a little summary of what the Accord Physicians Patient Portal has to offer. Keep in mind that the portal should be used for non-emergencies only. If you have an emergency, please contact 911. Below that, you will see notification boxes that may show your medical records or current medication for quick reference, depending on what information you have available on Patient Portal. These boxes contain buttons that would bring you to another page if you would like more details on what they say. To the left of the page, there's a sidebar with drop-down tabs that would take you to your medical records, account settings, messages, appointments, questionnaires, and health tracker page. In the upper right side of the page, you will see a series of different buttons. A button with a house logo on it, a practice details button, and a sign out button. The house button takes you back to the home page, which is the page you are currently on. The practice details button provides a drop-down menu that reveals Accord Physicians' doctors, working hours, and directions. And finally, the sign out button signs you out of your account. Now, let's go more in depth on each section in the sidebar. The Medical Records tab allows you to view a summary of all of your published lab and diagnostic reports, along with your personal health record. Your Account tab allows you to view, edit, and add any information about yourself. Here, you can also reset your password. Additionally, you could view your transmit logs, which show the status of your sent personal health records. The My Devices link displays all the devices you have connected to your Patient Portal account from the HealOut app. It will help you retrieve your HealOut PIN from here if you ever forget. In the Messages tab, you can send messages to doctors regarding your health records, view any messages you may have received from our practice, and request refills for your medication. Then you have your Appointments tab that will allow you to schedule new appointments as well as view your past and upcoming ones. In the Questionnaires tab, you will see a list of the different types of surveys that we would like you to fill out. Please take the time to complete these surveys, as they may ask you for additional important information about your health or help us improve our services. Finally, you have the Health Tracker tab, which lists any reminders or health tips that your doctor might have sent you. To get the most out of the health tracking feature, we suggest using the HealOut app. It allows you to link your fitness tracker's data and share it between doctors. To learn more about this feature, please watch our HealOut tutorials.